Hi everyone. We have the fifth lesson for binomial expansion. This question says find the expansion of 2x plus 1 over x to the power 3. Find the expansion of 2x plus 1 over x to the power 3 and determine the coefficient of the second term and determine the third term and determine the term in x squared. So we cannot find the coefficient of the second term, the third term, and the term in x squared without the expansion. Yes, we can find any of these without fully expanding. Yes, we can do it. But because of we have multiple cases here, then let us just expand fully, then it will be easier, especially for beginners. In the fifth class, then I will teach how to find the coefficient of a specific term or how we can find a specific term. We can do it in the next class. But here, because of multiple requirements, let us just expand fully. Besides, that will help the beginners to understand how to expand fully. All right. First of all, whatsoever power that you have here, any positive power you have, just say plus 1. It will tell you how many terms. So if the power here is 3 and say plus 1, that is 4, it tells you that there are going to be 4 terms. If the power is 2, just say plus 1. It will be 3 terms. If the power is 7, just say plus 1. The terms are going to be 8 terms. All right. So here we are expecting 4 terms. Okay. So we can use binomial theorem, but some students have difficulty in using the combination from the calculator. So we can use Pascal's triangle. According to Pascal's triangle, power 0 is 1. Be attentive, power 0 is 1. So for us to get the coefficient of power 1, so we write 1 on the left of this and 1 on the right of this. Now we go to power 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Write it between this and this, under what between this and this. 2 plus 1 is 3. Below 2 and 3, but between. 1, 1. 1 plus 1, sorry, 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1, 1. Before I continue, let us check. This is for power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4. So just sit here, power 4, see for power 3, power 2, power 1, then and so on. So, but here the power is 3, so these are the coefficient ones. 1, 3, 3, 1. These are the coefficients. So if you can take care of Pascal's triangle, then it will be easier than going through the combination because each time you need the calculator. So, this is 1, 2x, then 1 over x. Each time you write a coefficient, you need to write this and this. 2x, 1 over x, 3. 2x, 1 over x, 1. 2x, 1 over x. Okay, so this one here, it decreases in power, and the second one here increases in power. So where is the first 2x? Here is the first 2x. But the power of 2x should be decreasing. If you say something is decreasing, it must have started somewhere. So since here is the beginning and it takes this power 3, but it is decreasing. So 2x power 3, 2x power 2, 2x power 1, 2x power 0. I hope you are getting it. So this one is increasing in power. Increases in power. It is increasing in power. So if the power of this one is increasing, it must start somewhere. where 1yx. But sometimes some students may want to forget that they also say 3. But if we are saying this one is increasing and you mistakenly start with 3, this one is going to be 4. And the good thing about binomial expansion is that there must be what? No power that is greater than the power that the expression comes with. Every power must either be below or equal to this. So you cannot mistake with what 3. Because since this one is increasing, 3, 4, 5, you violated the rule. So this one is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. And the good thing is that this one starts with this power and this one ends with this power. See, this is 3 and this is 3. I hope it is clear. So this is 1 times any value. It doesn't make any sense. So let's just ignore it. 2 to the power 3 is 8 and this is x cubed. Any value raised to the power 0 is 1 times this is just this one. This is 3. 2 squared is 4 and x squared. Any value raised to power 1 is the value itself. This is 3. A value raised to power 1 is the value itself. 1 squared is 1. X squared is x squared. 2x to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Doesn't make any sense. So 1 cube is 1. X cube is this one. Okay. So 8x cube plus this x will take away 1x here. This x will take away 1x. There will remain 1x. So 3 times 4 is 12x. Do not mistake and write 2 again, power 2 again, because this x takes away 1x plus this x takes away 1x here. There will remain 1x down. So 3 times 1 is 3 over x. 1 over x cubed. Okay. Now, this is the full expansion. That is the reason I wanted to expand it fully. Now, the A part of the question says, find the coefficient of the second term. We are not writing the second term, but the coefficient of the second term. This is the first term. This is the second term. If the question is to write the second term, well, it is 12x. But the coefficient of the second term is just 3. Sorry, just 12. B, want to write the third term. 1, 2, 3. 3 over x. Not about coefficient, just the third term. C, want to write the term in x squared. The term in what? X squared. There is no x squared here. So what is the term? There is no term in x squared because there is nothing like x squared. So can we say 0? No, 0 can represent a term. So what do we say? We say no term in x squared. There is no term in x squared. So even if the question says write the term in x cubed, do not mistake this one to be x cubed because it is down. X cubed is different from this one is x to the power minus 3. Okay. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. See my next video.